Welcome back to Tyler David's Artful Adventures. Today we are going to be drawing a realistic face. So let's get started. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm going to try my best on this. I'm gonna draw the hair too and the skin. It's gonna be fun. But I have like a book and it's about like drawing. You should get it too. Okay, let's do the neck. Okay. And this. Okay. Now let's do the hair. Oh, who I'm drawing is simple. It's just from like a book I showed you. Okay, got the lip. Now we're going to do the eyes and then the eyebrows like me and you guys. So let's do the eyes. Perfect. Okay, I got the eyes. Okay. Now, hold on. Okay, let's do like the eyes on the inside. Okay, now the pupils. Good. Now we are going to be moving on to the shadings, but I have one more thing, just to do this. Okay, now we're doing the shadings. But this time I'm going extra. Okay. Now the lip. Now the nose. And boom. And now the eyes. Okay, now let's try doing the neck. So let's do this. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. I'm just trying to draw a realistic person. It's going to be turned out great. But once you guys start drawing it, I think it's going to be great too. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, almost done. Oh, and remember to do drawing first and shading second and color next, like I said in my first video. Always remember, it's important. I mean, it doesn't have to be important, but I'm just telling you guys. You don't have to shade it or color it. It's okay. Okay. Almost done. This is turning out great. Okay, YouTube. Now I'm gonna do gray because I just need it for something. Okay, let's do diction right here. Okay, now for that, now let's do the color. Okay, let's do the skin first. Wait, hold on. Oopsies. I forgot something. Let me use white. Hold on. I usually use this. Do it. Okay, now let's add another one like we did. And color this one in. And boom. Good. Now let's try doing the lip. This part of the mouth. So the lip can be like right here. But let's do it right here. Close to black. Okay, almost done. Okay, I'm gonna finish the mouth later. Okay, now let's do the hair. Well, the hair is simple. It's gonna be brown. You know, brown. Yep. Bronze. That's simple. Cool. Okay, now let's use a lighter color of the hair. Wait, right here. Almost done. This is turning out great. I bet yours will turn out great too. Now let me add decoration. Not decoration, but like style to the hair. That's good. I like it. Okay, hold on, almost done with the hair. That is good. Now, let's use like a darker, nope, that's black. Good. Okay. Almost done. Drawing is important. It's like a warm-up. Well, if you're an artist, keep on practicing. Just like me. You'll be just like me one day. And if you're already an artist, that's good. Okay. Okay, almost done. That is good. Wait, hold on. Nope. Okay, good. Now, let's use like this. Yep, that's good. Okay. Good. Okay. Almost done with the neck. It's going out great. If you're following along with me, then you better hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, now let's do the eye color since we haven't done it. So I usually like, my favorite color is blue. So let's do this. Hold on. Good. Now, we'll fix that later. Okay. Wait, hold on. Let's make this a little good. Now let's use black like this. Good. Now let's use white for the shine. Now let's use the eraser to do this. It's going to be okay. I just have to do some under the eye. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's use black. Let's fix this. And good. Okay, and good. Okay, good. And we're almost done, guys. Now we just have to do the shirt, and we are almost done. I mean, we are done, I should say. Okay, wait, hold on. Let's make that a little lighter so you guys can see it. So let's do this. Bring that color down. I'm just going to do this. Now, boom. Drawing is simple. You guys should draw. So you guys can draw. Now I'm just going to do this and stuff. We're almost done. Close. And we okay. And I am done. Good. Guys, what do you think about my drawing? you guys like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and peace out.